What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at one of the best performing coins in this relief rally, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic has been pumping as the rest of the market has been pumping. Ethereum Classic has pumped more than 248% in just 60 days in the bear market. Very, very good return. But guys, right now the market is dumping really hard. Ethereum Classic included. In the last 1 month, Ethereum Classic is still up 39.2%. Should we start buying some Ethereum Classic right now? Is this the time to buy the dip? In this video, we'll be looking at Ethereum Classic US dollar price chart, Ethereum Classic performance against Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Ethereum Classic's market cap. How low can it go in this dip? Should we start buying Ethereum Classic right now? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading, holding, or investing in cryptocurrency, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point to record this video, Ethereum Classic is still down 48.3% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's up 39.2%. In the last 1 week, it's down 19.4%. And the last 24 hours at the point to record this video, Ethereum Classic is down 16.6%. The crypto market is tanking. We have been having a very green month, but right now it's turning to a very, very red month and a very, very red week very, very quickly. And that's how things can quickly change in crypto. Ethereum Classic in the last 1 month has gone as high as $45 and as low as $22.29. Should we start buying some Ethereum Classic right now? Ethereum Classic has been rallying hard into the merge. A lot of people are worried in case Ethereum failed, maybe Ethereum Classic could be the backup. I've been seeing Ethereum pumping even harder than Ethereum as the merge gets closer and closer. But it looks as if Ethereum Classic has hit significant resistance level, guys. This was the level we were talking about in the last video. We need Ethereum Classic to conveniently pass this level if we are going to see newer, higher prices. And even if we are past that level, the $50 level was another important resistance level for Ethereum Classic. Right now, as the crypto market is turning on itself, should we be expecting lower prices for Ethereum Classic? Even if we get lower prices, is the bottom in? Can Ethereum Classic come lower than $12? Guys, right now we have to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. But where should we start buying Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic still have strong support around the $25 level. I won't be shocked to see Ethereum Classic maybe just maybe come down to the $25 level. This will be a very, very good place to start dollar cost averaging. Guys, remember, you don't want to go all in on all coins during the bear market. I've been sounding that warning over and over again. The bear market is where you want to be accumulating. I've been telling you guys, anytime I have a rally like this, you want to sell into those rallies so that when the prices come down lower again, you can get more Ethereum Classic. If you look at the RSI for Ethereum Classic, we got to the overbought region right here since on the 29th of July 2022. Since when we enter August, guys, Ethereum Classic are undergoing distribution. All the people that bought at the bottom right here when Ethereum Classic was trading for $13, $14, and even $15, they were selling at the top right here at $45 to as low as $33. If we break below $33, we might see a bloodbath for Ethereum Classic. We need Ethereum Classic to hold this $33 level. Let me zoom in so that we can see clearly. You need Ethereum Classic to hold this $33 level because, guys, if Ethereum Classic doesn't hold this level, there's a surefire bet we might see Ethereum Classic trading for $25 very, very soon. You can see that level, the $32 level, has been a critical level for Ethereum Classic. As we are trying to pump to new highs here on the 5th of May, we got rejected off that level. Even before we started dumping to Goblin Town, you can see that this has been a very, very pivotal level for Ethereum Classic over the few months. I expect price to still interact with that level for Ethereum Classic in the coming days. If that level holds, maybe we'll just see Ethereum Classic continue pumping higher into the merge. But if that level doesn't hold, we might see Ethereum Classic dumping. Against Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic has been pumping in the last 1 month. If you're holding Ethereum Classic, you'd have been happy because it has been outperforming Bitcoin. You see that when the market is pumping, guys, Ethereum Classic actually just outperformed Bitcoin. The last rally we had, the Ethereum Classic outperformed Bitcoin in January 2021. Ethereum Classic went up over 1,600% against Bitcoin in just 117 days. Now, this rally we're having right now in the altcoin market, Ethereum Classic has gone as high as 211% against Bitcoin in just 60 days. So when the market is pumping, you want to be holding Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin. But guys, the difference is that when the market is dumping, you want to be holding some Bitcoin because Bitcoin outperforms Ethereum Classic when the market is dumping. It means Bitcoin doesn't dump as hard as Ethereum Classic. If you look at what Ethereum Classic has been doing since when it topped against Bitcoin on the 6th of May 2021, Ethereum Classic lost 79% of its value against Bitcoin. and it took it 400 days. Guys, I realized that in the previous bear market, a lot of these altcoins took 400 days for them to actually bottom against Bitcoin. Then it took another 400 days for them to find their true bottom. Will history repeat itself? Because we use the Fibonacci retracement tool for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin. You can see that Ethereum Classic went to one of the retracement level, and that's the 0.5 retracement level. That means all the people that couldn't flip their Ethereum Classic for some Bitcoin for a profit right here, they are the people that are probably flipping their Ethereum Classic for some profit right here. Are they selling? We are going to see Ethereum Classic get valued higher than Bitcoin in the coming days. Maybe, just maybe, the merge will make Ethereum Classic pump higher against Bitcoin. Only time will tell right now. But guys, you want to protect yourself from the downside risks. Crypto, you can make so much money. At the same time, if you don't sell the top, you can lose so much money very, very quickly. If we take a look at Ethereum Classic performance against Ethereum, it has actually been outperforming Ethereum, which is very, very funny. Since when Ethereum topped in December 2021, Ethereum Classic has been outperforming it. Since December 2021, Ethereum Classic is up over 183% against Ethereum. Guys, the last time we saw Ethereum Classic rally really hard against Ethereum was from February 2021 till it finally found its top in May 2021. Ethereum Classic went up more than 800% against Ethereum in just 92 days. This also shows us that when the market is pumping, you want to be with Ethereum Classic. You don't want to be with Ethereum or with Bitcoin, because Ethereum Classic pumps really well to the upside when the market is pumping. The only downside to that is that it dumps really well to the downside when the market is dumping. And from when it found its top in May 2021 till it bottomed against Ethereum in December 2021, Ethereum Classic lost more than 80% of its value against Ethereum. Right now, the market is dumping. Are we going to see one of those huge dumps for Ethereum Classic against Ethereum and against Bitcoin? Because if our history is anything to go by, because guys, if history is anything to go by, we know that after we see all these huge pumps in Ethereum Classic, after that comes huge dumps against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. If we take a look at Ethereum Classic market cap, it topped right here in 2021. It went to as high as $18 billion. From that $18 billion, we saw Ethereum Classic market cap lose more than 90% of its value. In 409 days, it came down to as low as $1.7 billion. But it has been rallying into the merge. It went from as low as $1.7 billion. It went to as high as over $6 billion. But it looks as if it was rejected at this $6 billion level. And this is a very important level for Ethereum Classic. You can see how price has reacted to this level over the few months. You can see how price has reacted to this level over time. So it looks as if we're coming back to test this lower end. We might see Ethereum Classic market cap maybe get to as low as $3.5 billion. If that level doesn't hold, it might come back to test this $1.6 billion level. But it feels as if Ethereum Classic is coming down to test this $3.5 billion level. Should we start buying the dip right now? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price do you start buying the dip for Ethereum Classic? Or will you not buy the dip? Will you be waiting for lower prices below 12, maybe $13? If you believe Bitcoin is going to as low as $14,000 or $10,000, it means we might see Ethereum Classic maybe getting to single digits, maybe $8, maybe $10. Only time will tell. So tell me in the comment section, will you be buying, selling, or holding Ethereum Classic through the bear markets? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.